Hi everyone. What can I do in this video? In this video, I will see how to interact with Agentforce Healthcare Assistant on Salesforce. You can ask health-related questions, get information or advice about health issues, and even rate a doctor based on your experience. See how to start the conversation with a greeting. Then choose to either discuss a health problem or provide a feedback for a doctor. If you select a health issues, you will be prompted to provide your detail like name and pin code. If you choose to rate a doctor, you will be asked for the doctor name, your name, phone number, and rating. Watch how agent guide each step of the process, making it easier for patients to access healthcare support or provided feedback for providers. Patient and doctor information is safely stored and managed in Salesforce, making it easy to access health records and feedback when needed. I have added the complete blog link in comment box.